In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to wall mount Alienware monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a monitor arm or wall mount that you have with your Alienware monitor. You will be able to do this because most monitors follow a standard called VESA or VESA. Basically, this is going to be 4 evenly spaced out screws where you will be able to attach a mount to. So if you look at the back of your monitor, there will be the place where you usually attach the monitor arm that comes with your monitor. So all that you would have to do normally is to attach the base, make up the stand, and then you would be able to connect it to the back of your monitor using the standard mechanism. Now, if you want to use a custom monitor arm or wall mount this, it is essentially the same deal. So just remove this, and now you will have to screw in your monitor arm using these 4 screws that I mentioned. So make sure that you take them off before. And now you will be able to screw in your wall mount or monitor arm attached to your desk. Sadly, I'm not going to be able to give you specific instructions. Every single mount is going to have a different way of being attached, but for this example here, all that you would have to do is place the bracket first and then screw the bracket into the back of your monitor. With this done, you will now be able to attach the rest of the arm. But like I mentioned, this can differ from wall mount to wall mount. Check the manual for your specific one. And it should look something like this. You will have the monitor or the bracket for the arm going in first, and then you will be able to screw in the 4 corners. It should be securely attached, and you will now be able to control the angle, the height, and position it however you prefer. Usually by following the manual, it is going to be simple to set up. You simply have to screw the bracket in. I hope I was able to help you on how to wall mount Alienware monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.